Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys not installed. To know how to fix or how to solve Stumble Guys not installed, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about this window of Stumble Guys. Then in this list of app info, you will enter to force stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here you will enter to clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will turn on your Wi-Fi again when you will end these steps. So please don't forget to support us via like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.